Alright, so let's start with the NW-800 by Neewer. So the microphone is connected to my SSL2 solid state logic. As you can see here, the gain is about 10 o'clock ish. And as you know, this is a condenser microphone, requires a 48 phantom power. So this is on as well. And this is the sound from the NW-800. I already reviewed this microphone, so I'm gonna leave it in the descriptions down below if you wanna check it. This is a very quite popular microphone on the market, very affordable. We know Neewer, they have a quite good products in my opinion. This video is not being sponsored, so let's start now with some information about this microphone. So this is gonna cost you about 25-30 pounds, depends where you buy this microphone. Here in UK, it's very cheap microphone. In the States, it's gonna cost you about $30 maybe. I'm gonna throw some links in the descriptions down below. The Windows is open. I hope you can hear some noise. This is very good, just to have idea how is the noise floor of the microphone. So let me know, what do you think? Non-processed audio, I don't do any processed audio of the microphones. I just plug them and play just to hear the real deal of the microphone. So let me know, what do you think about this Neewer NW-800? Very popular microphone. This is a Cardio 8 polo pattern microphone, and it's very good. I like it, and let me know, what do you think? I'm watching the gain, and it's pretty good. I think this is the perfect level. But yeah, let me know what you think about this NW-800 by Neewer, and let's do some tests now. So let's spin the microphone, so just to have idea what is the Cardio 8 polo pattern. So if you decide to put the microphone in a different way, so let's spin the microphone right now. So I'm spinning the microphone. This is 90 degrees. This is the back of the microphone, so the sound probably is going to be very weak, very bad. This is another 90 degree, and this is the front of the microphone. So as you can see, the microphone needs to be front. This is a Cardio 8 polo pattern, as the heart shape of the heart, you know. So yeah, let me know what you think about the NW-800. Also, let's check the plosive situation. Please bring pizza pronto. Please bring pizza pronto. People piper pitch people piper bleep bleep. Please bring pizza pronto. I think this is not the most effective way to do plosives, but you know, I am professional. So okay, so let me know, what do you think, guys? You like this microphone? If yes, smash the like button. Let me know in the comments down below. The next microphone that we will see is gonna be the Zingyou 007. This is the James Bond microphone. Yeah, it's Zingyou 007. I already reviewed this microphone. Everything mentioned in the video is gonna be in the link in the descriptions down below. So next, Zingyou. Alright, so now we're starting with the 007 James Bond microphone. So the microphone is plugged into my SSL2 solid state logic. As you can see, the gain is about 11-ish o'clock. Also, the phantom power is on. This is a condenser microphone, so it requires a phantom power. So let me know, what do you think? This microphone is quite popular actually on the market. 007 James Bond's microphone by Zingyou. Let's start now with some information about this microphone. This is gonna cost you, with bundle, about 40 pounds. So comes with a scissor arms, comes with all the stuff that you need just to start. But luckily, I bought this microphone for the amazing price of £10, which is crazy. But you can buy this microphone for 40 pounds if you can find better deal. The more important is, do you like the sound of this microphone? This is everything that is matter. So if you like the microphone, if you like the sound, you are the judge, because not every microphone is gonna suit your voice, but this is gonna be a different video. So let me know what you think about the Zingyou 007. So let's spin the microphones to see what is the difference when you spin the microphone if you put the microphone in different positions. So the microphone is on the front right now. So this is the 90 degree of the microphone. The sound probably is not gonna be great. And this is the back of the microphone, so you can have idea. And this is the another 90 degree of the microphone, and this is the front of the microphone. So let me know, what do you think? I hope the sound is good. So let's check now what is the plosive situation. So please bring pizza pronto, please bring pizza pronto, please bring pizza pronto. So at least you can have idea what is the plosive situations. Plus, I already mentioned the windows is open and there's a little bit of outdoor noise, indoor, outdoor, and you can have idea what is the noise floor situation. So very cheap, affordable microphones, but the more important is you are the judge. You will be the one that you're gonna listen, and if you like it, link is gonna be in the description. None of these microphones have been sponsored, so just to make sure that I give you this honest opinion and information. So let me know, what do you think, guys? Do you like the Zingyou 007 or do you like the newer NW-800? Leave your thoughts in the comments down below. If this video is helpful, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, it's free. As always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.